How to check active status on Instagram if hidden. Let's say you want to check someone's activity on Instagram if the person is online or not, but their activity status is hidden. I'll show you how to fix that. So firstly, let's go ahead and open the app. And now I'm just gonna tap the arrow in the top right to access my DMs. As you can see, when account does have active status on, we can see the little green dot in the profile icon when the person is currently online. You can also click on the chat, and on the top you will see active now. Also, you can see active yesterday, meaning that that person also does have the feature turned on. But for some accounts, we don't have such status. This means that the person just has hidden their activity status. So firstly, what we can do is tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap the three lines in the top to access settings, and scroll down until messages and story replies. Tap on that, and in the section who can see your online, tap show activity status. Make sure it is turned on so you can see other persons online, and also other people will be able to see that you are online or was 10 minutes ago, for example. And for the accounts who has hide this activity status, you can do this thing. Just go ahead and post something to your story. Let's say I will post this picture, and I'm gonna press and hold my close friends and select an account I wanna check. For example, this technology account. Now I'm gonna click share, and the story will be shared only for that specific account. So now you just have to check your story each time if this person has watched it or not yet. If yes, then this person is online and you will see it in the viewers list. That's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.